Welcome for SVR Technology. I'm Ragan. Here we'll be seeing what is an IP address. In the pic, we can see that the systems are connected internally. It may be wired or wireless. If it is wired, it will be the UG cable. If it is wireless, means we can use the Wi-Fi routers and so on. So, for an example, a person wants to mail for the particular mail ID. So once the person types in a mail ID to send the particular file, so what the system is going to do? System will check the IP address of the receiver end. So here we can see IP address through the Wi-Fi it can be done or it can be UG cable. Once everything the network is connected only we will be reaching our mail. And IP is nothing but an protocol which will be having some string of numbers. It can be 162.92. And 10. So it will be having this some set of rules which makes our internet works. For an example, if you're watching our video through mobile or computer means it means that your network is connected properly. That means your IP address is proper. So we'll see in system how to find the IP address. In order to that we have to go for the start and we have to give the command of CMD. Once it is done, it will be pop up with the command prompter. There you have to type IP confirm. Once you type and give the enter, the some certain strings will be visible. In out of that we can find like IP4 which is of an IP address. We'll see practically how we can see it in PC. Yes, here we'll see how to find the IP address of the system. So we have to go for search and here we have to type CMD. So once it is done, it's going to open for the command prompt. So here I had to type IP con IP con. Once it is done, you can see the IP phone that is of an address 192.168.43.193 is the IP address of current PC. Now we'll find how to find the IP address in our phone. So we have to go for these settings and we have to check the network which was connected through the Wi-Fi. Once you type the Wi-Fi, you will be appearing the what is the address will be available. We'll see. So I'm going for this setting. I have connected with the Wi-Fi network and I'm going to tap the. So I'm going to see here in additional settings. So here you can find the MAC address as well as IP address. So IP address of the phone is 192.160 and 43.20. So in the same way you can find for the any PCs or any mobile. So thank you for the video. We'll meet up by the next.